أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجن من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
In terms of the effect that it maybe had on your soul, how did it?
Peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah. It was very heartwarming and moving. Inspiring even. And that comes from a lot because look at me. So, yeah.
Wow. Heard that. How did that make you feel after listening to it?
It sounds weird, but I like the accent. It's not really the accent, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's very mystical.
Yeah.
I like it because it's It's mysterious.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what it's saying, but I like the sound of it, and it's relaxing. I'll be honest. Sometimes I put it on Sky and just turn the lights out and relax to it.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. Because I don't know what it is, but it is really relaxing.
Yeah.
And it's not someone shouting, God's this and God's that, and hallelujah, and they're jumping around the church. It's just nice and quiet. It's nice and relaxing, so that's my way.
It was alright, nice and relaxing, easy to listen to. Yeah. So yeah, it's like I said, it's not something I'm used to, but I liked it. I did like it. Yeah.
I don't know. It took me to a quiet place.
Oh, wow.
Just like, I don't know, just like quite softly. Maybe just like everything went quiet really. Just it's like gentle.
So yeah, you just heard that. How did that make you feel after hearing it?
I feel a relaxed sensation. I don't understand what he say, but he's a nice voice and he's relaxed.
How did it make you feel?
A little bit sad.
Sad?
A little bit sad, yeah. I don't know. It was just something about his voice.
Okay.
It's kind of, and it was a little bit soft-spoken, so it was a little bit comforting in a way.
Yeah. Comforting. So sad and comforting.
It's sad and comforting, melancholy.
Yeah.
Almost.
Wow. Okay. Melancholy. I think it's sad and comforting at the same time. It's like almost. I don't know. They kind of cancel each other out, but it's interesting that you said that.
Yeah. So I don't know. It was like a melancholy feeling. It's like it was something I'd almost heard before.
Okay.
I don't know, it felt kind of good. It felt peaceful.
Peaceful?
Yeah.
Ever heard anything like that before?
No, I haven't. I never heard of it. Yeah.
How did you feel when you was listening to it?
Sort of free.
Free? Wow.
I don't know, it's just sort of like really happy, quite, I don't know. I felt like I was flying a little bit. It's a bit weird, that one.
I don't know, oddly at some point I kind of felt, I don't know if I say like a calming or kind of peaceful kind of a vibe. And then at another point I was kind of feeling like searchful, like I wanted to question something, like inquisitive about, just like kind of as if I'm searching out something, I'm trying to work out something.
So how it made me feel, even though I'm not Arabic or I'm not Muslim myself, it made me feel as if I was travelling to Mecca.
Yeah, wow.
That's how it made me feel.
Yeah.